I GC News Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana Mide Bremo a year A plus Kwame Asar or being or the NCB to Gasa would mean a year the killers of Ahmed Suale. I know now post for Ato Etsa a friend last Sunday and some women have a so we can subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Over subscribe. What do you say over click the subscribe button now our belly notification when sa video be an also once I feel ya now I like it you give us a thumbs up nothing share by offer for some or ready I feel you call a breaking news about wanting a year police for a Ghana police service one up to suffer a year Kwame A plus a year Kwame Asar or being or simply but to say we mean a young Suale woman by a year with less now information na police for Ato and suffer na yen hwe eye nsema ya police for the Ato abonten ewo on social media page that wanted to and suffer eye A plus I say police invite A plus to assist in investigation into the Ahmed Suale case. I say the Ghana Police Service has today 15 July 2024 invited Mr. Kwame Asare, popularly known as A plus, to assist police ongoing investigation into the death of Ahmed Suale, following his recent claim on social media that he has some information regarding the case. This is a plus that Robinson said information be a fire Ahmed Suale volume and not police for Ato and their friend. Sorry, I say the cold case unit established in October 2021 under the Criminal Investigation Department (CID) of the Ghana Police Service to handle cases of this nature has been working on the investigation into the case and closely engaging with the deceased family. Which is a cold case unit and one young remote or one year phone in account the air course. Now I say that the police therefore pleased that Mr. Kwame Asare being A plus has made indication that he has some information that could assist in the ongoing investigation and has been invited accordingly. That is A plus director upon say information be a bit more police for no one pakwa one visa a Bukasemi and police for Ato and Sa de Afreno. A plus adding some way to be when the social media people can send or your life and what in some people say or no people who are Suale. The police want to power and yet one man protection behind it or the same now ever. Now I'm just waiting a year police for a friend. Now I refer a year 1 A plus a year in some more the two guard acquire of us for days and some women at 2 guard and there was for Ato and Sadi a friend is a woman. Now in Rimono or also the one of fat number 80 A plus at our day and some women at 2 guard.
Obia obebi sam say adenti na wo information on Ahmed Suale na fan koma police no ti asem na me ka che oni ye tie ni ye me wo ho na me information say police fu ekoku nipa 5 ewo gomu afete area ho ba bi ebe ye news ukọ awubegu ebe da social media kra police shoot car nemu it was a big news mu nyina mu refi ebe ye news say police fu ekoku nipa 5 ewo gomu afete. Time na news ne ba no news na ba out in Google say police ekun nkrofobia omukoku ohene bi e wo fete and the police ekun omo. Some people were going to attack the palace in Fete and police your friend police got wind of it and went and a friend arrested some and in an exchange of fire in the exchange of fire some of them. Okay. Inti nipa 5 ne wuye. Em say cartoon ya chi omo chi sa atu no kogum. Afi tie ne ye. Edi be ye 1 week. Ena minya every information on that matter. So immediately, we including the dead bodies, everything, voice note, eyewitness, everything I had. So I took that information and I sent it to IGP. And I told IGP that, have you seen the story? This story is not about Obi Koku Obi Yakoye Anas Obi Akwa Atake or Hene Anas Ayekoku Omu. This is murder. These people have been murdered. Obi Ebusuafo Nipa 5 Omu. Told IGP that IGP, the information I have now, I suspect say it is either the police was misinformed and then they went and did this, or they know what happened. IGP said, bra. na ye Monday morning na me madam fu bi ono so no e police ni ono na asem no meka ne later me madam fu bi na madam fu no kra no ono na ma me lead madam fu no ono no ma me lead no say Charlie we receive information be na we think that these people will be family omo say it madam fu no ma me lead no e na ye call IGP o ye call me IGP kan ye boa ye ni patre na ye meeting mutie die mutie asem na ye kan ye me IGP kan ye boa tata no CID boss some obehwa sometimes be na kan ye boa de bia even though or pull you out from police service na me dey gunu so say Yankopon Adom this guy has and every day I was attacking kan ye boa it is because of this matter former CID boss kan ye boa no fi wansa sister for Siba no me IGP kan ye boa ye ni patre na ye meeting IG was going to receive briefing from the CID boss. I think he had already received briefing, but he was going to inform CID boss, say, our meeting was to inform CID boss that we have new information that you have to look into. Ye can't something me free CID headquarters. 10 minutes. Na akwana ye suspect say onuna a misleading police and I say or sha ade na chime yakun nipa 5 no afre me say chairman they say you go talk my matter for police headquarters say me way I make they kill the boys so but when say Kwame plus me name street no so before I went to police headquarters me in Krema police in Bechiwo I had called the guy to tell him that hey it be you day street they snitch they give false information to police make they kill people. That thing you they do, it will go against you. Now me medical afraid Jaru be my boy. So me I hear the matter before I go IGP in there, then I call Jaru and say, hey, the thing they do for street, we go lick you. We go lick you from the street. It be you did there and you defeat set boys up, make police kill them. I say, chairman, me I not do anything. So I say the thing you they do for street, boys will be happy with them. And Sameko CID headquarters. It's no me kon medical afraid Jaru. Me Gyamfi CID headquarters and the Jaru friend me back say, chairman, they say you go talk my matter for CID headquarters. Any part train here meeting me IGP and the Kanyabwa. And to call the by a pair, na me suspect CID director, na me friend IG. I'm say, bra, any part 3 a meeting 10 minutes me fi had do office. Nipa na ye kana asem no wa frɛ me you people can protect witness I joja phone so na ne ho so Kwame nti oman nti ye be ye Kwame nti ade we be ye we have to find another way to start and these same people I can tell you on authority the people that you put into this investigation don't pare on Yankopon be shira because I know the kind of things that we did. They will frustrate you. Me who so be kind dampare asama. Me tinotan na adeba ko papa Akufo-Addo aye mo my way. Ayelota dampare. These people will frustrate you. And you see, they say, oh, if you can't do it, resign. Who will do it? We had to find different means. Na mamencha wa dientia e mom kokun sa nipa 5 no. Omo kosi hene wo asaman kese. Ye kosi ohene wo asaman kese. Ye kosi ohen wa saman kese no na sa boys na ye kun wo no e be them way they prevent enkofo say enya wu na on sa ahensam no chieftaincy issues no so they beat them ye omo buo mu ye papa and they prevented them from omo besi ohene no nti sa de ni si ye no they were still looking for ways to be able to enter asaman kese nti according to information na me de ma ID no almost said that another group ekatres our boys 5 year ku omu say ye besi hene wo gumu afete enti mumbebo asafo so I want to see ohene aye bo asafo ne ade no mumbebo asafo e wo ahensie na ase ena omuma omo pump action say won say omu si hene omu tututuo ne ade pepepe ne enti omu na mo tuo no say mungi tuo we ena mo betoto ade na ase ena omu wie no omu sign call for police say enkrofo bi kokun feta ohene no na omutu ogu kaa mu taxi ne number nie we ni sei enti munko apprehend omo na police phone ko he omu hu nkrofo no mu description no mu bi etu ogu kaa no mu na omu kun nkrofo no mutie ni me kan be si Ahmed Suale at same time me se Ghana police mu person me information bi agye se mo me police for 4 omu di machi because my mom information, you didn't protect me. You betrayed. So don't nobody. And now GGA boss frame me, GGA president frame me Jumfo Minua Jumfo or frame me, Kwame to say send Adena we have to make a public say hey my yabakun me could save you for bushon phone be suture me Kwame plus unim say me asamba I will be there for you a bushon phone be suture me chrome of for you kunipa and we wanted to find justice for them. Police for no omo be intra me second and so me masem na me say e kan yebo na kan asem no o say enyo no ye 3 omo family de me ko CID headquarters ase ho e ko kire me car say car we na boys no hu police for no start to bo car na mu sa da no me ba homicide ye be din komo bi wo homicide obia na wo homicide ho a ye din komo nyame nsira ho police CID headquarters homicide omo ho nyina because of the conversation we had at homicide nyame nsira mu nyina mu bedie mu ma bedie mu busuafo bedie ye the police atade hye won chese di kwantro chese di boni asama mo kan wo homicide ho no eno na finalize ade na ma me because there was no exchange of fire, there was nothing. Can you boy family me ko gina ase ho ko kire me car bi say we na nkofo no tutu obo mu hwe etu yawa kan you boy me bia maka presby we ko ni mada ofie da me insura asem those days me ba kwa wonu ma beda ofie what I say me beda ofie me na me ge but we are there meka me papa me nka sade achi no we obi abewu want me stopping me from doing what I want to do. Enti no say ene me nua adwumfo be frem no ka kire me say if you have any information you have to go. If you love the country me dem me love me ho me dem me love me ho. So anybody who is there who can tell me that come and give us information, what bodama na answer what Jimmy and answer then yo me when I volunteer to give information, did you protect me? So if you want me to give you information, you have to show clearly. If not, obi a person who be a problem. I don't care. You cannot. And I know. You see, me before I say something, see, my brain is switched on. Mr. Kofi Bento, first do share me or your book, not true, or signing by signature book, not true. Your brain is switched on. My brain is switched on. You know, so I can't say, hey, this one police go invite you. Which police? The same police we are going to give them. I would take them to court for the court to order them to give me protection before I give them. I know this street. Look, Kwame Plus is not an ordinary person. Kwame Plus, or ye nipa kakrabose. Kwame Plus is a spirit. Kwame Plus is a spirit. And me, if you do, I will come and tell, and I'll tell you more. But you have to protect me with anything less than that. Don't call me. Don't. Hey, that's why I come boy. Go to homicide, ask them. I will bring people that we were trying to solve this problem. What did you do? Did you even help the IGP? Did you help the IGP? You were working against the IGP who was trying to solve. And when he fights with you, you go and find a way to remove him, and you take him to parliament to some committee, and you go and do this. You work. Or not so ye nipa or webusia. So sometimes he will just sit down and watch. On your server for he's a human being. He's a human being. Dampari is a human being. Also, family, ne ma, ne yere, ne nuanom. Also, family. You work against. When I brought information, you work, and this one go, and the damper say, and you work against the guy. All this parliament thing you were doing, I was just watching. Now me rap Madam Parry. You can never do good in this country. Come and tell me, GJ for. And let me tell you something, hey, me a guy man fucking. Hey, GJ me no for. And no friend me catch and say, you voy. I'm gonna say job. Wo wabeji information say we bia your information no na nkrofo no bi na mechire your information bi na nkrofo fechire giskedi system we nyina ye wo mu system we all of us are in this system. We know how it works. It is at our fingertips. We know how it operates. Before I'll tell you that I'm going to tell you about Ahmed Suale, I know what I'm talking about. I know who informed, and it was not just me. The information is not just me. There are some people too were there. If police want that information, they know. I gave them information, and they betrayed me. I gave them information. 10 minutes. Onipana yase. Onu na wako setting krofo up me yekunipa 5 no. 10 minutes he called me. Hey, Ghana police. And you want me to come and volunteer information again? A system that even Dampare can control. Me. I am ready. Nobody should ask, offer anti-armed robbery commander. Meaning so that's anti-armed robbery commander. Then I'm about office, no. As I'm catch you. But catch you say catch the rule say. Almost someone I'm using as informant. Catch and say. Me I'm ready for him. Daddy, I told you. Say, woman the nam krum ha. Edi bone. I'm Akufo-Addo ma wrong information. If that is and you, I told you. Tell him. Yeah, me I'm not afraid. I told you. Tell him that if he does, of course, or no, Satan no afraid me. If he tries anything, we will lick him. I told you. Me catch your officer. Boys name me Nino street fucking. Now saying afraid me. As a wasakra. It be like they change now. They do good boy things. Me I know all the boys for street. Everybody be my guy. Anywhere you enter, everybody be my guy. I dey hear everything. I know they snitch on boys, and I know I make anybody snitch on boys on the streets. People they hustle. You they snitch. I go tell police, look, this thing is not. Nipa we never did to no man. Almost say, koye as kobo asafo. Betu tutu. No mako shijama se sade no mo ye no ade chi eno no wa san kofre police enkofo bi kuku fete ohene no police nkotwa so mo police for na hihye hu na mo kuku boys and send be ya when they go back to Asamankese they can take over the place me be ka kire wa mako free ni pana ka chen say Aplus abeka say we na we say 10 minutes na ni pana frame me back ade chi a wo se me san be more information abodam hwan na be say adwuma no hwan like a wine the war memu have like a wine. Sandy pana wo call friends omeka no de meka wo. And say me to no be abeka say deputy minister be say I'm going to make sure. Catch a deputy minister say me send the boss or the meka $200,000. Or no deputy minister and the boss the meka 200 me pesa me kasa wo me pede de okrom ha wo. Me pesa me kasa wo me start say me kana sama. So onim na me hu me tena no kasa wo. O boss or the make $200,000 mean kasa you so onim na me tina no kasa won e be bro no so won kran krum ha make I come volunteer another information. I said and I repeat, me I have information on Ahmed Suale. Ghana police, do you like it? Do you like that information? Give me this time round. I'm not going to give information when you so that you go and tell people that Aplus came and said, hey, me who be we are said that police service. Me who be that. I want to give you information. You have to give me protection. Information, protection. If you give me protection, that everybody can see that you are giving me protection, I will tell you that this is the information I have. And the protection is not that Ghana police said, I'm Parinankasa de Mamidi Ameje, because he's a good man. And yes, if your police name could say we made him mechi. Me me boys am no am me to car me nkwa me tim na me ko ba uba no di edi mechi nya metu aka wo uba na di sie me tie ni nyina aka hey ya ton your fucking me so bia e dan am me wu afi wi ase ti me sure I'm not scared of you me sure but I will never give information to Ghana police for free. No, I come my GJ information. We want a GJ for go for bishim. No more na mechiri. No more chale information bi na. They say no see to me yes yes sir. Enti no my kakra na me tam ho at risk na mo jiska we chiro abodam. Kwame Plus minim bibia also say the way I ya bibia minim bibia. Anyway, so listen, boys, you for be strong, you for be fearless, you for not make anybody intimidate you. I see, if anybody like, it be police, make invite me. When I come, I will first of all, we will sign a paper. We will have protection arrangement. I'll give information I have. If not, I won't do it. And if you try to force me, I will take you to court. And I will order the court. I will make the court order you to do it. Because you have made that mistake. And I can't do it the second time. Before I start talking, I've planned what to do. Like me just I said, I'm planning what to do.
The guy was so and I will say we don't subscribe here. Necessary over subscribe. Not like it. Not if you watch a video no of frostly. It may be accurate. Also betting actually what you for so we now comment box no. But interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.